Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Uber driver profile picture. So first of all, you have to open the Uber website. Then simply tap on this help section. Click on this driving and delivering. And you will see this window. You have to tap on account and app issues. Scroll down a little bit. And you have to tap on this change account settings. This driver profile photos. And then what you have to do is just tap on this login to get help, and then you have to enter your phone number or email for security purpose, and then it will ask you to enter your password. So enter your password, and after entering the password just click on next. So you can see this option request profile photo update. Click on it. So fill in their fields and submit the application. After filling this, you have to tap on submit. If the support is Second Street, you will be allowed to change the photo. Now you know how to change Uber profile picture. So I hope this was really helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.